Good morning everybody, I'm AD Wilmot and I'd like to welcome you to our channel. Today, just a bit of a vlog, just got a couple of things that I want to go through. Unfortunately this video is going to be a lot shorter than what I had planned, but I went out yesterday, nice ride with some other guys, and unfortunately my Hero 7 decided not to record any of it. When I realised it wasn't recording it, I changed the battery and then I changed the battery again, and it seems like it probably overheated. So I had a little bit of footage just going through a town which wasn't worth putting on. So today I want to talk to you about the Hero cameras. If you've got a Hero 10, I've been led to believe that the Hero 10s are a lot better and they've got more battery life, and so if you have got one, just put in the comments how much better it is, if you've used the Hero 7s, 8s and 9s. Friends of mine have got Hero 9s, they overheat. One of them recorded his wedding party and had it in a corner, switched it on, thought it was on, and he didn't catch anything. So it seems that these GoPros have got some issues somewhere. We don't really know where. So if you've got a Hero 10 and you use it and you don't have any issues with it, or you do have any issues with it, can you please let me know before I go and spend some money and buy another one. Right, today we're also going to talk about Constands. Constands I think are fabulous. I've done a video with the VFR 1200 and we got bought a Constand for that, and we find it great, absolutely brilliant. We had to set a centre stand off of that because it was a botched one, and every time I went around the corner it was catching. So we took it off, and the replacement we bought was the Constand, and never looked back. So we bought another one for the GSXR. And I'm just going to go through with you how, the processes and everything. So before I adjust the camera to hopefully so you can see it better, again, I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Subscribers are going up slowly but surely, and that's absolutely fantastic. So anybody that's subscribed to us, brilliant. Everybody that's watching the videos, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Right, Constand then. So this is the Constand. All you have to do is make sure that you are getting this, is your top engine bolt. The nut on the engine bolt on the GSXR is this side, so you have to undo it, take it out, turn the bolt round, put it back in, and then you screw this onto it, and that acts as your new bolt, but it also acts so the Constand can sit in here nice and solid. The Constand fits in two places, fits on this one, and it also goes into your swing arm bolt, and that's basically all it have to do with the bike, is just that one unit rotation. When it comes with coasters. There's 4 of them. It all comes flat packed, so obviously you've got to put it together. It's just like a Meccano set. It's dead easy, bulletproof, comes with all the details and everything. So the way it works is, all you do is you pull this locking pin out, lower it down, and now the bike is just leaning against it. Again, it's not going anywhere, it can't fall over, but it's still secured in. Hold on to your bike, I'm not blocking your view too much. So you just come straight out. Now you can put your stand down, or you could be sat on it while you're doing it. I tend to be sat on it when I'm putting it on and off. Reverse of it, exactly the same. Just get it right, slot straight in. Get a hold of the lever. Don't even need to hold the bike, up it goes. Don't forget to put your pin back in, and that's done. And that's basically how that Constand system works. Absolutely brilliant. Take your toe wheels out, go and fetch your tyre, put tyres on it, put them back in, clean it, service it, everything you need to do, and it brings it up about 6 inches off the floor. Well, 6 inches off the floor is a lot. So, Constand, £249 on that auction site that we all know and love. It comes from, I believe it came from Germany. It certainly comes from a European country, because it was in euros. So yeah, it transferred into £249. It was delivered within 10 days. It was here. Like I say, comes flat packed, dead easy to put together. Highly recommend it. Hero 7, I know they're cheap at the minute. Hero 8s and 9s are also cheap. Don't buy them. We need to have something that's a lot more reliable than what we're getting at the minute from, or what I'm getting from the Hero 7. Footage wise, because you ride along thinking you're catching everything, and it turns out you're actually not. We had some fantastic country lanes yesterday, and there's no traffic on them, and we had some really nice riding, and it's not there. It's gone, and it's a shame. Even just to keep it for your own personal self. So I think for today that's it. That's all I've really got to say about it. Again, please comment. Let me know what's your GoPro's like. What have you got? Or have you got a 7? Am I doing something wrong? And yeah, I've got a setting that's wrong and it's causing it to be upset. I've gone through it, I've watched videos on them and everything, and I'm still struggling. So let me know what yours are doing. Other than that, everybody, ride safe, take care. It's always better to come home today and go out again tomorrow, apart from today because it's raining. Look after yourselves, and I wish you all the best. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, subscribe if you like us. Hit the bell to get future videos, and we'll hopefully see you all again soon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.